Test out this tempting recipe by melting caramel chocolate until smooth. Prepare a clean piece of bubble wrap, spreading a thin layer of the melted chocolate evenly on it. Wrap a rolled cake with the chocolate-covered bubble wrap, placing the chocolate side down. Chill it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Once chilled, peel off the bubble wrap to reveal beautiful chocolate bubbles decorating the roll. Optionally, add caramel-coated hazelnuts for extra flair. Indulge in the delightful presentation and taste. Check the description for full details.